Hello guys! Kamusta kayo? Kamusta yung Easter nyo? So, bali kakagaling-galing ko lang pala ng site. Nakapaligo na rin ako. Today, nagpaalam pala ako sa project manager ko na hindi ako mag-whole day. I want to take this public holiday because also today is my birthday. So guys, meron palang isang viewer natin na nag-request ng glow up content with Binta. So we will do that guys. Excited na ako and medyo kinakabahan din kasi it's my first time na magpa-makeup sa salon and sa Gambia pa guys. Di ko alam kung ano yung kakalabasan pero abangan nyo to guys. Let's go! Guys, sobrang bait ng project manager ko pinahiram niya tayo ng sasakyan. So we are on the way now to Binta's place. Yung kasing salon guys nandoon. So we will have our makeup from there. And then we'll go to somewhere else to eat. So guys, Auntie Binta is here. Papunta na kami ng salon. We're on the way to salon.
Yes. Guys, we are going to the salon, huh? It's not far.
It's not far.
No.
Guys, change of plan kami dahil may pinuntahan yung nagme-makeup. So, hindi niya kami mami-makeupan. So, punta kami sa ibang salon para magpa-makeup. Guys, yung place pala na to tinatawag nilang Village. Malapit siya sa Tropic Mall and around lang din siya ng Senegambia. Guys, we are here now. We are about to start.
I'm the first person to start. You see, Auntie Madam is second. Me, I'm the first person to support it.
Guys, they started already. Si Auntie Binta pala guys, magpapaahit daw siya ng kilay. Pero ako guys, hindi kasi never ko pa siyang nagawa. Guys, ngingiti-ngiti lang si Auntie pero nasugatan siya ng blade nung inaahitan siya ng makeup artist. Bali guys, isa lang pala yung nagme-makeup dito sa salon na to. So, si Auntie Binta muna, tapos ako. So guys, ayan pala yung labas nung salon. May coffee shop, may mga makakainan dyan guys. Guys, ang pagpapamakeup talaga time-taking, no? It consumes a lot of our time. So, iba pa rin talaga kapag marunong ka sa sarili mo Tipid na at the same time, makakasave ka pa ng time. So, bali patapos na pala si Binta nito guys. Almost an hour din siyang mini-makeupan. Mukhang professional makeup artist naman siya guys. Si Auntie Binta may dala pala siyang eyelash tsaka wig. Nakabahan ako Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung kakalabas ng tropa. Kasama pala namin yung anak ni Binta tsaka yung kapatid niya. Medyo naiinip din sila, nagse-cellphone na lang sila. I trust her She will make me more beautiful But she doesn't want to be in the video, so only me. Guys, share ko lang, I used to come here in this salon para magpamassage. And nakakabilib lang guys kasi yung nagme-makeup sa amin ni Binta, siya rin yung nagmamassage sa akin before. So pala guys, sa mga kababaihan na ang tingin nila sa sarili nila ay pangit sila, they are not beautiful. I want to say you are fearfully and wonderfully made. You are beautiful just as you are, with or without makeup. Guys, sa totoo lang, kapag tinatry kong mag-makeup, hindi ko rin talaga ma-feel na I'm more beautiful with the makeup. Pero guys, this time I just want to try African makeup, just experience. And at the same time, gusto kong pagbigyan yung request ni Ate Pam. We are almost done here guys. Guys, ito na pala yung final result pero pina-adjust ko guys kasi medyo makapal yung sa kilay. Tapos na kaming ma-makeup pa ni Binta, guys. So, magbibis na lang kami for the final look. Guys, we are done.
This is us today.
Yay!
We have today new face.
So, guys, ito na yung kinalabasan ng aming fast. So, comment down below, guys, kung nice ba o hindi,
I know they still red is nice. The black also.
Yes. Guys, we will reveal who did the makeup. That's her. She did the makeup. Abaraka.
Give me happiness, matrapya.
Yeah, Japanese. Thank you so much. Yeah, she's very kind to us. So you can come here, guys. If you want makeup,
Auntie, don't take. Auntie,
just come here. Wow, Jaja is doing machi with me. Until there is sunlight there. Now. Guys, we will go to Tropic Garden. Si Auntie, Jaja, and Oli at the back.
You know what is about to see?
We're going to Tropic Garden, guys. We will eat it. Guys, we are inside the Tropic Garden. See my auntie. Guys, it's really my first time. It feels different. But if I will rate my makeup experience, I think it's 7 out of 10. How about you guys? How you will rate us? Please comment down below, guys. Thank you. Guys, this is one of my favorite places here in Gambia. I really love this place. Here, guys, tahimik lang and it's not very crowded. Like if you want to meditate, if you want to refresh, you can come here, guys. The vibe and the ambience is good. Wind is too much, no, auntie? How do you find this place? Ibinta is her first time to come here and she said it's nice. We'll eat, guys! We will eat!
Huh? Auntie Mary, but it's nice, huh? You like a chicken, huh? Yes. Look, Auntie. The butter is nice.
Sure.
Guys, Auntie, I'm cooking my house. Guys, you see now, it's night time. We are going home. We eat already now. We are going, huh? But you see me, my stomach. I overeat. Auntie Mary is here. Auntie.
I already changed.
Auntie Mary change already. You see, guys. But me, mom, I don't change that. You see me? I'm not changing that now. If I go to my house, I will change.
Tell them your experience.
Hey, guys, today. You know this place, I never came here. Huh? But the place is nice. And the food also is nice. Now we are going. That's all for today, The madam is driving us this thing, my house, you see. Now we are going to my house. After that, she's going back. Thank you for watching our video, and we are happy for you people because of you people we are going. If you tell me it's not you people, we are not going. I'm happy. Now I'm happy. Those who are new here, just subscribe, share, comment, and like our video. We are happy for you people. Auntie.
That's all for today, guys.